Okay, let's begin. This is a basic video on how to combine Proteus 8 profession together with Arduino interface in real time or real circuit stimulation. So this is one of the beginners video for those who are interested in taking electronics. So I'm going to start off with a basic beginner circuit like blinking an LED. So what you need is install Proteus 8 profession and Arduino IDE interface. So after installing, this is how the interface looks like. So this way we have all our components. You can pick resistors, transistors, LEDs from there. So I have two components. I have Arduino Uno, that's my board, and LED green. So set up the circuit in such a format. So just click here, then drag. I've already dragged, so I'll not drag it the second time. Drag, connect. So now since this is a microcontroller, it needs a program. So now come to your Arduino. So this is my code to blink an LED. So you know how we initialize the digital pin. This is my digital pin 2. What is the device? Device type is an output. So now this is just a command or program to tell it to go on for half a minute, half a second, and another one to go off for half a second. So I'll come here, export, I'll export that. So from here I'll come back, I'll double click, come to program file here, look for where you stored your code or where you saved your file. Mine was as this. Choose one of these, say okay. So now let's play to see. So by the end of this video, everybody will be able to blink an LED or more, so you can do very big projects with this before your implementation of electronic circuits. Thank you.